Today, we'll see the types of SQL commands, part 2. In this particular video, we'll be specifically looking into DCL and TCL commands. We already have seen in the previous video that there are four types of SQL commands. We already have seen DDL and DML in the previous video. In this particular video, we'll cover DCL and TCL commands. Let's start with DCL commands. DCL stands for Data Control Language. And yes, by the name, you might have got an idea that it is used to control the data that is stored in the database. It helps to manage the access to the data within the database. The commands that falls under this DCL are grant. Grant command is specifically used to grant some permission to specified users from the owner. Next, we have revoke command. This revoke command is used to revoke all the privileges that is given to specified user earlier. The next type of command is TCL commands. TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. It helps to manage the transactions within the database. The commands that falls under Transaction Control Language are commit. Commit command is basically used to finalize the changes that we have made in the database. Next, we have rollback command. This rollback command is used to revert a particular change that is already done. If you want to move back to a particular point of transaction, then we can use this rollback command. Next command is save point command. This save point command is basically used to mark a specific point for potential rollback. So I hope these commands are clear to you all. We'll perform the implementation of all these types of commands in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned for that. Oh, I'll have to leave now. Till then, you can have a look at this. Welcome to the day 5 of Decoding SQL.